Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to upload files or objects to AWS S3 using the Boto3 library in Python along with FastApi. So first I'll show you guys the output. Here is my API endpoint. Here I am passing our file, so this file is present on my local system, and I'm also passing some JSON data. You don't really need to pass this JSON data. This is just for those who need to pass some JSON data along with the file upload. That's why I'm showing you this. And if I click on send, here you can see in the output inside the message I'm just saying our hello, whatever you have passed over here. I'm not really doing anything with this, and you will also get a URL parameter. I'm not showing it that to you because I don't want to reveal my bucket URL. And yeah, so let's see how to do this. So first, make sure you create a FastApi project. Like you can just follow the documentation from FastApi, and once you create a virtual environment, you just have to run this python-m pip install boto3. Like I was facing some issue without this -m. I'm not sure if this -m is required or not, but yeah, make sure you add this python-m pip install boto3. Like I was just doing pip install boto3 and I was facing some issue. I don't know why, but then I did something like this and it resolved it for me. Then make sure you run pip install python-multipart as well, and here you will have to do pip freeze requirements.txt. And for starting your server you can run just this bit of code, and here you can see I have imported FastApi file, upload file and form, and here I have imported uvcon and boto3 as well. Here we are initializing our FastApi, and here I have added our access key, secret access, region as well as bucket name. Here we are updating creating our S3 client using boto3.client, passing our S3 access key ID, secret access key as well as region name, so wherever is your bucket is located. Next, here I am just created an upload post API endpoint calling upload file. Here we will pass our file to this, and this message is something like whatever JSON data you want to pass to this. So if you don't want to pass JSON data, you can just remove this, but for uploading file this is mandatory. And here I'm just calling s3 client.upload file object. I'm just pass this particular file. I pass the file name as well as the s3 bucket name. Now I'm generating a pre-signed URL which will help us to access that particular uploaded file with the help of a URL. So here I'm just calling get object. You have to pass your bucket name. You will have to pass the file name for you which you want to create a pre-signed URL. And here I have set the expires as 3600, which is in seconds. So after 3600 seconds this will expire. And inside message I'm just passing our message whatever the user has passed, and inside URL I'm just passing the response which is the pre-signed URL which you get. And here I'm just starting our server. So yeah, that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.